Hey everybody, it's your old friend Noel, the sexually repressed elf. Let me just say, I gotta tell you something. Something very special has happened to me, and it happened to me last night. Probably why my ass is sore and I'm having to sit on this ink pad anyway. But that is for a different time. I gotta tell y'all, I did meet a girl. I know, right? Holla. But anyway, well, heck, let me just show you what happened.
Ooh, I got a body full of liquor with a cocaine kicker, and I'm feeling like I'm 30 feet tall. So lay it down,